Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of DB2 SQL, which is 10 function. So what 10 function will do, it will take the argument and then perform the tangent on that. Like it will return the tangent of angle in terms of radians. Okay, so I will show you how we can utilize this function in SQLRPGLE program, and then we'll also see how we can use the same over the query. So here what we are doing, we are using SQL state underscore valid as a constant with 5 times 0, and this constant we are going to use to verify the query whether it is executed successfully or not. Then we have one variable, result1 variable, zone2, and this variable we will use to store the output which we are receiving from the main query. Then below to this we are setting the commit option equals to star none, and then we are using the main query. So in main query, what we are doing, we are executing the SQL for select 10, which is my function name, and inside that I'm passing the value as 90. So what it will do, it will calculate the tangent of 90, and then output will would be stored into this result1 variable, and this data is coming from sys ibm.systeme1. Clear? Now below to this, once the query is executed, you can see the syntax is simple. So once this query is executed, we will verify whether it is executed properly or not. So if it returns SQL state which is equals to SQL state underscore valid, then display result 1, else display the SQL state along with an error message, query ended with an error, and then we are doing the endif and inlar on. So let's quickly compile this program and call this program. So here it is returning the output as -2. Okay, so this is all about the SQLRPGLE program. Now I will show you how we are using it over the query. So in query, what we are doing, we are using select 10 of 90 as, and here you can make it as 10 of value radians. Okay, so if I hit enter here, it will return the exact value, which is -1.995200 something. Okay, so in this way you can utilize the query, and the syntax is quite simple. You just need to write the function name, and inside that you can pass the angle for which you want to calculate the tangent value in terms of radians. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.